Welcome all to the 14th edition of Sharjah International Book Fair. I am very honored to present in this wonderful evening for the book release of Dr. Tavamani ma'am. This is her first book. I want to say about the author. Dr. Tavamani Panneerselvam is a general practitioner and gynecologist practicing in India, Nepal and UAE, Sharjah and Dubai for the past 3 decades. She is also a yoga practitioner and an instructor, author, motivational speaker, counselor and a researcher on women and child. This is her first book. She is always very passionate and always a women and children oriented speaker. In service to these women and children, her dream has come true with this holistic approach on women's health.
Happy and delighted to be in this dais with Dr. Tavamani for the book release, Holistic Approach to Women. I am witnessing this day as a reassurance from the universe for the manifesting of the dreams. First, before talking about the book, I would like to take you on a couple of years back. I met Dr. Tavamani, I just went and met her. Okay, when we were talking, she told me, Nazima, I would like to write a book on empowerment of women's health. I said, Doctor, you should write because you have a lots of experience, nearly 30 years of experience as a doctor, handling children and women. I think that will be a blessing for all of us. I forgot totally. After nearly a few months, she called me and she said, Nazima, I started to write the book and some of the chapters already I finished. I was really surprised and I was very happy because the thought which came from the bottom of the heart is getting manifested before my eyes. So last year during the COVID, she called me, I finished the book now, what I have to do. I said, Doctor, this is not the right time because when she told me about her dream, the one thing was very clear, this book should be published in Sharjah International Book Fair. So I said, just wait for the next year. I think sure universe will show something for your dream. So I'm very happy actually to see this dream manifested in each and every phase. It took a couple of years, but it manifested. So today I'm here releasing Dr. Tavamani book, like Holistic Approach to Women. When I read that book, as a doctor, as a healer, when I say something, maybe not everyone will be convinced with my statements. But as a doctor, when she told about, she balanced nicely about the biological and the spiritual part in this book. She explained the stages of the women. I think even the men should read this book. You should know what are the stages each and every woman is facing. Like a menstrual, mood swings, menopause. When you come to know about what really a woman is facing, even the natural process, you will support her more. We women know like how to take care of our family and friends and around us. Okay, but when someone asks us to take care of yourself, I'm not very sure. Most of us, we don't know how to take care of ourselves. Okay, in this book, Dr. Tavamani went very deep and digged very beautifully the meaning of take care. So she wrote this book not to become as a writer or an author. The intention is to give her experience fully to the readers. She said, I want to release this book and I want to give it free. I said, why can't we do like this? We will release the book, we will take the money and we will give it for some charity, for the education purpose for women empowerment. So this journey is with the intention and cause, not to become a writer or make the money with this book. So please support who are seeing this program. Please, it just costs 10 dirhams. It matters so much because it's so 30 years of experience. She is squeezed and encapsulated as a book. Thank you so much. I am very blessed and happy to be here as a friend to witness this wonderful woman. Thank you so much.
Good evening to everyone. It's a very small crowd, doesn't matter. She's happy because she's here in Sharjah International Book Fair. And I respect her a lot, that's why I'm here. I don't like to sit here actually. As an organizer, I have a lot of things to do. But she's so passionate about this book and she needs me to be here. That's why I ran all the way from my throat to here just to make you happy because I know how much effort you might have taken. We had a very long discussion over the phone, and that's how I started respecting her. I never knew this first time I'm seeing her, but through the phone I knew her very well, and her intention I know it's costing only 10 dirham. It's free actually. It's free. It's a free book. That in itself shows that she is not after money. She is not after fame. She just wants to help the women and the men. Both of them, they should understand. Especially something like menopause. You know, I have seen just now, I was opening it, and she is talking about the menopause. So many men or the people around us, they don't know how much emotionally it's a problem for the female to overcome that physical change after 40. You know, this time we, the men and the people around them, how emotionally we have to associate with that female who is going through this menopause. And hopefully you might have mentioned about these things also, because I know that. And many people, they don't know, I mean, especially the male, they don't, because it is already wrongly interpreted as it's a misbehavior of the female. The emotional changes and the physical changes that during the menopause, when the female going through this age after 40 years, it is always misconceived as a wrong behavior from the side. But it is not, it's a physical, mental, it's a changeover actually. You know, God has blessed them to carry a child for a period of, or give birth to a child for a period of, I think, maximum 25 to 30 years. I think, doctor, is that correct or it's more than that?
Yes, it's correct.
Yeah, from the time of they started to be a woman, I think it's 14 or 13 or maybe up to 40. That is the time the God has given to them to create a new generation. And after that, it is going to stop. And that stopping period is called menopause, right? And this is a period, it's a big change. Because after that, they cannot carry a child. They cannot bear a child. So it is a big change. That change, that women put to another level of the change is making a big psychological impact in them, and that appears in the physical and attitudinal behavior. So that is what is menopause. This is what I read about it. Anyway, I am not a doctor, I cannot explain more than that. The doctor is here, she will explain. Anyway, I love this session. I want to be with her, to support her, to release this book. Okay? Thank you so much for being here to support her.
Yeah, first book released to Mr. Mohan Nagar. Thanks a lot. I would like to call Nazima ma'am. Thank you. Ravi Kanchana ma'am. Thank you. Thank you ma'am.
Every one of you, you may be seeing that I hardly have people because I did not invite many people. These are real well-wishers who really encouraged me my dream. Till today, my husband never believes I am a writer today. Today, it is true that I am a writer. It's all because of Nazima. Thank you very much, Nazima, because when I just came to last year, a few years back for the Writers Forum, Nazima released her book. When I told her dream, I myself was not sure. And just few days back, we contacted Mr. Mohan Ji. Out of 196 famous writers, I got a place. I feel it's only because of God's blessing. And these are my real best friends who really came all the way 4 o'clock they started and reached here at this time. And Vani is another friend. Vani and her whole family, she has written the afterword also, and the whole family really supported me, and they just joined today, and each and every one of you present here really It's all God's blessings and I could release this book. This book is such an important book. It's written in a very simple language, all about women who undergoes menarche, pregnancy, menopause. These are considered as a disease. I am a gynecologist basically, but people come to me with a disease. What I felt, these are simple things which you can manage yourself at home. Family is the pillar of the society and women is the important pillar in that. So when a woman is empowered with good health, definitely the whole family and the whole world can become healthy. Only if we are healthy, we can be peaceful, happy, and we can always lead a very wonderful life. That is the main intention why I approached women's health through a holistic approach. So it is simple, without any medicines, we can definitely take care of our health. That is my main intention. So all men, women, we all support each other, so all of us can become more healthy. Thanks once again to be here. Great. Thank you.
I would like to thank Mr. Vediyappan, Discovery Book Palace. The last moment when we decided and I called Vediyappan, this is the intention and cause for this book. Can you please do it? Immediately he agreed and he did very beautifully this book cover, and I never saw in, Tamil publisher is the first, officially he's publishing the English book. Such a beautiful cover with 3D heart. I was so overwhelmed. Thank you so much, Vediyana, for making this dream true. Because I would like to thank him specially. Thank you so much. I would like to call Rauf to have few words on the stage.
Why are we here? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for spending some time with us. I'd like to congratulate SIVF on its 40th edition, and I'd like to thank Mr. Mohan Ji for being here with us. Why are we here? We are not here to launch a book. We are here to celebrate. We are here to celebrate a dream. We are here to celebrate a dream. All of us have dreams. But only a few of us realize a dream. We don't get the opportunity to make our dreams happen. Dr. Thavamani is a very busy person. We don't have time nowadays to even do what we are supposed to do. But she has done this wonderful job. She's written a book. And that itself is a great achievement. And the second one is to celebrate a human. She is a mother, a wife, a sister, a friend, a doctor, and a very, very good human being. All she thinks of is service to people and service to humans. She in her mind, all she does is take care of the women and the children. And the third and final thing is being a woman, celebrating a woman. So women have been trodden upon and not given their due importance. And in her book, she's written about how women are so important and how, I'll just read from her book. The fastest way to change society is to mobilize the women of the world. Women play an important role in today's fast-paced world. She helps in keeping family, society, and life together. She is also responsible in training future generation, children, with her noble ideals of unity, goodwill, and self-help. The human being has come into this world with a purpose, to develop the consciousness of the fullest extent and to achieve perfection and everlasting peace. When a woman is peaceful individually, naturally the whole world will be at peace. So the men make sure that women live peacefully so that the world becomes a better place. And thank you. This book is for men and women. It's not specifically for women. Unless the man understands what a woman wants. And this is a two-way life. So read this book. It is a very interesting book. very simple written. It's for children, women, and men. So, thank you for bringing out this wonderful book and giving me this opportunity. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Ravi. Actually, I have written afterword in this book. By seeing Kamini ma'am, how far she has taken this women empowerment and the health to the world. She was very keen about even simple words. She wants each and every common man should read this book without any hesitations of it. And like Rahul sir said, women health is the family health. Women is the pillar of each and every family. If the woman feels he is very healthy, the family is peace. If the family is peace, always the world will be of peace. So this I like to thank each and every dignitaries and all the participants who has come to this great evening for the book release. Surely I hope so for the next year also we will see Thavamani ma'am on the stage for the next book release. We all pray God for her successful service to the human health. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you for all the people who have presented for this one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I can't thank you.
Today is a great day for me. This book on holistic approach to women's health has been released just now in Sharjah International Book Fair. It's only because of Naseema, Mr. Mohanji, Rahu, Vani and so many good friends who are the real reason for making this book available. Actually, basically I am a gynecologist. I see a lot of women having so many diseases, mainly because they worry a lot. That's when the idea came that I should approach women's health through holistic approach. In my clinic, I give medical treatment for them. But why can't they prevent this medical treatment? That's how I approach this. Holistic health can be given to each and every woman. Physical health is so important. To be physically active, we have to give healthy food and do physical exercises. With modernization, there is no time to eat healthy food and no time to even do physical activities. Then comes the mental health and the emotional health. Women really worry a lot. They worry a lot about the family, about everything. They keep worrying and neglect their health. So when they take their path towards spiritual way, in a spiritual way, that is the purpose of life is not only to just lead a routine life. There is some more purpose in their life. They should have a passion, like reading books is one of the most important passion. They should also make their hobbies to a better level. They said they don't have any time for anything. Women are the pillars of the society. Family is the basic unit of the society. So if a woman is healthy, happy and peaceful, automatically the family is healthy, happy and peaceful. That is where the woman has to concentrate on her health. We always say, if a woman has time to chisel herself for 6 hours, that is, she has to spend time for 6 to 8 hours, like 6 hours of sleep and 2 hours either exercise or walking or her passion, her beauty. And if she concentrates 8 hours for herself, definitely she can spend 16 hours for the other people in the society. Like each and every woman spend time for herself and her family, automatically the whole family, the whole society, the whole world will be healthy. So I thank once again Ms. Naseema and the entire team for making this book possible. Definitely it costs just 10 dirhams, but the material inside is so important that we can improve so much of our health. Instead of spending time in the hospital, we have to spend time for ourselves to improve our health. I wish each and every one of you to read this book and get the knowledge, because when a woman is educated, automatically the whole society is educated. This book publication has come out so well. It's only because of Mr. Vediyappan and his team. The Discovery book publication made it so attractive and beautiful, so that when we are reading this book, You are really so much interested. Thank you very much, Mr. Vediyappan sir and team, for making this book possible. It looks so beautiful and attractive because the material inside is also really amazing. Wish you all the best to continue reading this book. Thank you.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க and கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மேலும் எல்லா தமிழ் சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.